Alright, we got it apart. Drilled out. Glass. So I just found my 3D printed bases to make gassers slammed. So I decided let's make a slammed gasser using the bases. Let's start this build. Custom 55 gasser with the 3D printed slammed base from I think it was MG something. I'll leave it over here or in the description. 3D printed bases that he did a while back, and I finally got to use another one. But yep, this is the polished one that you've seen before. Pinning it black. A nice Spectra Flame yellow. Got the pipes coming out there because it couldn't fit over here when it slammed. But the roof I did the marbling with yellow. Yeah, with the pipes coming in from there. There is a gap, but I don't know how to fill this, get that to all the way to the end inside the engine. If I can figure it out, I'll try for something else. But yeah, did the trim, blacked out the interior. Did little bit details on the seats, and I put a shifter in there. But yes, this is the Slam, the 55 gasser Moon Eyes. But yeah, thank you for all the support. Check out the last video, was the giveaway. I contacted 2 out of the 3. Need one more person, but I did start packing everything in there with all the little extra stuff. Nothing crazy, but hopefully they enjoy it. I think they can use it, so put some stuff in there, taped up the boxes, getting the addresses. But yep, trying to get it shipped out. Thank you so much. Saturday, super Saturday, custom Saturdays. But yep, aloha. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys.